I think this is the easiest way to install Armoury Crate. Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to install Asus Armoury Crate in your TUF ROG gaming laptop in the easiest way. So for this, firstly just open the Microsoft Store and search for My Asus. So just install this application in your PC or laptop and open it. Now here click on the system update. Now here at the top right, click on this down arrow. Now here just to go down and you can see utility Armoury Crate. Click on this. Now you will see the two things, Armoury Crate and Aura Creator installer and Armoury Crate uninstall tool. So firstly download the Armoury Crate uninstall tool. So just unzip that and open the Armoury Crate uninstall tool and do the complete uninstallation if you already installed Armoury Crate in your PC or laptop. So this is the very first thing, because there is some registry entry in your PC, so you need to clear that to make the installation properly work. Now after that, here is the Armoury Crate installer. Now download this one, select the folder location, and that's it. Now the Armoury Crate installer downloaded. So just to go to the file manager, just to extract to the new folder. Now open the Armoury Crate installer, open the exe file, click on S. Now it will show the install Armoury Crate, install Aura Creator. There is a virtual pet also. If you want, you can install that too. So the Aura Creator is only for the ROG based laptop or a PC. So if you are using a TUF based gaming laptop, means you can only able to install the Armoury Crate. So just to click on start. Now the installation process has been started. The total time taken for the installation is 10 minutes. Exactly to tell means it's 11 minutes, and during this 11 minutes there is a no error came in between. So the installation is really smooth. So wait patiently and follow the on-screen procedure, so the installation will be completed without any problem. Now the installation completed. Just click on reopen app. Well, that's it. Now here is the Asus Armoury Crate application. So now it's working everything fine. So here is the fan mode. You can click on silent. So now your CPU fan speed will be ultimately silent. You can click on full speed. Now the CPU fan speed running in a full speed. It's really working great. And also you can monitor your system temperature, frequency, usage percentage, fan RPM speed, CPU core voltage level, and what are all the any external device you have the ROG or TUF based supported means you can find the devices here. So just click on that devices. So initially you need to check for updates or update the device. Every device is connected with your PC. So here it shows all the update details. So then here is the Aura Sync. So this feature dedicatedly only for the ROG based laptop or PC users. And also using the My Asus application, you can every time launch the Armoury Crate. So here is the option, launch Armoury Crate, because My Asus app is actually help to detect laptop hardware. That is really helpful for the Armoury Crate application to make the installation process smooth and easier. Well, that's it about the Armoury Crate installation process. Hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.